Hey y'all, let's try some booze. This time we've got some Lagunitas. This one's contents under pressure. Fresh hop IPA. Paha. 2021 one hitter release. 7.5% ABV. Probably fairly high. IBU. We like it hoppy. Let's get hoppy. She just found this after a month of wherever it was hidden or lost. I think she lost it down the hill somewhere. Anyway, where were we? Beer? Sorry. Let's give it a shot. Smells hoppy and citrusy. Just opening the door. A little bit of mango-y, tropical fruit. Pine. This is a hoppy, fresh brew. Beautiful golden color, nice head. A little bit of whining from the dog. For the benefit of those of you with flash photography. Where were we? Good viscosity. Very pale. Sorry. Pale. Nice. Very nice. IPA aroma. Got the resiny mouthfeel right away. Nice hop flavor, but it's not beating me over the head with bitterness. Expected it to be juicier, and it's not juicy. It's got a full mouthfeel, but the flavor is it's watery with a full mouthfeel. A hint of mango, a hint of citrus juices, a hint of pine, but it's all hints, nothing up front except for the bold mouthfeel in the hops. So I don't know, I'm torn on this one. It's actually good. It's an unusual flavor that I wasn't expecting. I have to ponder it and drink more. Haven't decided what kind of score I'm gonna give. Right now I'm leaning towards like 3.5, 3 3/4 maybe. Very, very drinkable. In fact, with the 7.5, 7.7% ABV. could be dangerous as easy as it goes down. I think that's it. It's a almost like a session ale than a over the top hop bomb fresh hop IPA with Mosaic, Citrus, Simcoe, and Sabro. That's definitely that. It's more like a session ale with a non-session ABV. Lighter tasting than I expected. No, the internet's not going to throw up for you. Anyway, now that we got that out of the way, I'm going to drink and ponder it some more. And y'all have a nice day, and cheers.